Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Rugged Radio GMR2. First, let's get started by powering on your radio. Simply rotate the top knob clockwise until you hear a click. This also controls your volume. The easy-to-view backlit display will light up, showing your current channel. Make sure your rechargeable lithium-ion battery is fully charged for the best performance. Don't forget to attach the belt clip for convenient carrying, keeping your radio accessible at all times. Now that your radio is on, let's navigate channels and adjust the volume. Use the up and down arrow buttons to easily cycle through the 22 available GMRS channels. To control your audio, rotate the power knob clockwise to increase the volume or counterclockwise to lower it. If you're having trouble hearing a faint transmission, press the squelch suppression button to temporarily open the receiver. Remember, your GMR2 is universally compatible with all GMRS and FRS radios on matching channels. Communicating with your GMR2 is straightforward. To transmit, press and hold the push-to-talk or PTT button located on the side of the radio. Speak clearly into the microphone, ideally holding it about 2 inches from your mouth for optimal sound quality. The TX/RX light will glow red while you are transmitting. When you finish speaking, simply release the PTT button to return to receive mode. The light will then turn green if a signal is being received. Beyond basic communication, your GMR2 offers several advanced features. You can utilize 121 privacy codes, also known as CTCSS or DCS, to filter out unwanted conversations and enhance clarity. Stay informed with access to NOAA weather channels, providing crucial updates on changing conditions. The integrated flashlight is a handy tool for low-light situations. For even greater reach, consider upgrading to an extended range antenna, which can provide up to 30% more range.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.